Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear view mirror from a Fiat Panda MK3. So I will start when the rear view mirror is already disassembled. You can see here this is the base which glued to the glass, and we have over here you can see the rear view mirror with a round pin. This pin goes here. So this is what holds the mirror in place. So now when the rear view mirror is assembled, all you have to do is like give it a good push towards this direction, toward your direction. I like to use the spanner. You know, you need to be very careful about the windshield. So all you have to do is give it a good hit. This is it. This is how you disassemble the rear view mirror. If you need more parts for your Fiat Panda, please contact us in the email below. If the video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos on how to disassemble parts from a Fiat Panda, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.